Check it. I broke up with my ex-girl. Here's the number. Fight! That's the wrong number!
I've been moving houses so the mobs don't kill me. Trying to beat survival ain't a struggle for me. Don't try to PvP me with your god mode on me. Only keep it real so don't start some with me. Making ender portals ain't no mystery. Strike the ender dragon, get the victory. Hope I get some diamonds in the mine shaft. Got some friends to help me out in Minecraft. Minecraft. I go mine and then I won't. Get diamonds and then I don't. I finished on Hunger Games. I go down on the MC. Mine some diamonds, punch a tree. I make sure that my dogs eat. And still creepers, there's a lot of creepers that be blowing and blowing and blowing and blowing and blowing my house. Creepers, there's a lot of creepers that be blowing and blowing and blowing and blowing and blowing my house. She said give me armor, I gave her only hardly. I only spent my diamonds on my sword, I'm sorry. 50 gold, I even got some lapis on me. Make a cake and then I bring some to the party. And you know me, make a strong house so creepers won't blow me. Without armor I look like a phony. Hero Brian be looking real for me. Minecraft.
I'm not a rapper.